Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 14th. We're out in the potato patch today. We got our potatoes, good and green sprouting, or if you like to say like they would in the UK, chitting. But we've got a couple of varieties here. We're planting these roughly about, and we'll zoom out a little bit. We're planting them roughly about 8 to 12 inches apart. About to forget to do a video. We dished this area up earlier, and we talked about it, but we dished it one more time, and we hooked up our middle buster plow. This is the easiest way for us to do it. Saves a lot of time. And we're just throwing these in. Most of these are whole. Occasionally we'll have a large one and we'll cut it. And like I say all the time, if you're planting potatoes, see that one's cut. It's not healed over. We never have a problem with germination whenever we do them. Now there are a few that it might be just a little bit small, but that's not going to matter. They might not make as many potatoes, but we're going to stick them in here anyway. We've got the room. Most of these we saved are golf ball size or just a little bigger. If you're going to save your potatoes to plant, and these are all ours from last season. If you're going to save them to plant, you take and save them golf ball size or bigger. If you're going to cut them, make sure the cut side's down. That way the eye is up. If you're just planting whole potatoes, you can just throw them in there. I don't recommend planting big ones. I always cut them. But anyway, we're going to do this. We'll pull a little bit of dirt. We're going to fertilize them, put a little lime in here this time, and get these in the ground. Okay, we've got all the potatoes in the ground. Got them all fertilized and a little lime there too. And they're ready to go. That's it for now. Just wait for them to grow. It's supposed to rain here in just a little bit, so that ought to get them really started and coming up. The next project is this water line. We're going to move the water connection up here instead of down there because we're going to fence off this area. So we've got to move it about 50 foot. We took the plow while we had it out here for the potatoes. The plow's off in the ground. We'll just scoop it out. We don't have to get it over a foot deep. It might be just a little bit deeper, but we don't have to worry about it. 6 inches is good enough for freeze. We do it a little bit lower or deeper so that we don't have to worry about it getting exposed or something. But we plant our potatoes, so that's the cue for me to start my sweet potato slips. That's perfect time. They'll be ready by the time warms up and they're ready to plant, and we'll do a video. We're going to do a video on doing this line for those of you that aren't familiar with working with PVC. It'll kind of help you out, get a little more knowledge. You might use it, you might not, but if you don't have it, you can't use it. And we'll do a video on planting those sweet potatoes for slips. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this update. If you want to see more content like this, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.